Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and this is making a snail cam using some advanced features. We're going to be using equation curves. Think about the snail cam as a spiral. The first revolution is 360 degrees to get us away from the origin. The second revolution takes us to 720 degrees to get us to the outer measure, or the outer position of our cam. For a 3-inch diameter circle, the radius is 1.5 inches, so we need to convert degrees into a 1.5 to make it fit inside our 3-inch circle. So when we say 1.5 divided by 720, this is the conversion factor to fit the 2 revolutions into a 3-inch circle. And the last 2 things on this page we see are the 2 equations we will need. So if you look at this, 6 revolution spiral that I made in Inventor, you can see the different revolutions. Beginning at the center, you'll see me trace out the first revolution, the second revolution, the third revolution, the 5th revolution, all the way to the 6th revolution. So let's watch that. So if you visualize the cam that we're looking at for the snail cam, it's the first 2 revolutions in the center right here. So to make a snail cam with 2 revolutions using equations, first we need to start a new part. Go to Standard IPT, then you'll need to start a new sketch. Choose any plane you like. I'm going to be working on this plane just to spice things up. First thing we're going to do is draw the circle in the center for a 3/16 inch hole. Then we're going to add 2 circles that are construction lines, one at 1.5 inch in diameter and the other one at 3 inches in diameter. And this will tell us if our cam is properly dimensioned. Once we finish that, we'll center up the drawing so that we can see what's happening. So now I'm going to click on line, turn off construction lines. Now we're going to click on line, and we're going to choose equation curve. If you click on the drop down underneath line, you'll see the equation curve. Make sure you have the origin selected, and then we're going to type in the equation t times sine t times our conversion factor, 1/2 divided by 720. Then we'll enter our second equation, t times cosine of t times our conversion factor, 1.5 divided by 720. And our t minimum, we're going to start at 360 degrees and complete 1 revolution to 720 degrees, and then hit the check mark. And you should see something that is a very lovely snail cam. Now we're going to go back to line and connect the beginning and the end so that we have a closed loop so that we can extrude this snail cam. Extrusion depth is 3/16 of an inch, 3 divided by 16. Throw some color on there, and we're done.